Depot. We have a 25 horsepower Kohler engine. It is a Panther 25, 410 CFM, 4 blower, dual stainless steel heat exchangers. This machine has been completely gone through, new hoses, a lot of new parts in it. It's been restored. All the services, all the hoses are new. We have a new battery there, a couple new exhaust pieces. So if you want an entry-level machine that's powerful, 25 horsepower, 4 blower, dual wand unit, gets really hot, it's really simple to use, give us a call, 702-802-3923. Cleaning Depot in Henderson. Thank you very much and have a great day.